Welcome to another video of the Suerte del Molino farm in the Rocha Valley of the Huelva province of the state of Andalusia in Spain. Here we wrestle with concepts: what is natural, what is nature. Especially we remind ourselves to stay loose in how we interpret it and how we go about reaching our goals. We make discoveries and we like to document them. Simple discoveries about life and permaculture. We have realized how much we depend on our neighbors and they on us. And here we have an example of lichens, symbiotic relationship between algae, cyanobacteria, fungi. And what is interesting to me, there is always a component of the photosynthesis, the chlorophyll, the carbon trapping, the starch providing plant, and then they associate themselves with plants, organisms that provide nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and also minerals and water. Down there we have a creek, a dry stream, a dry riverbed. It only flows about 5 or 6 times a year. There are trees next to it. Our water supply also comes from that area. And then we have trees much higher up, even a few 100 meters higher. And we have learned there is a relationship between these trees. The most important for us is that the trees along the creek, they actually facilitate a water supply to the trees higher up. Most green plants, especially trees, they have root systems that enter a symbiotic relationship with root nodules and mycorrhizae. Now these root nodules are usually in relation to nitrogen fixing bacteria, and the mycorrhizae about fungi. Now these fungi create a network between all these trees, and the water can move from the bottom of this river up through this network to the trees higher up. The exchange always is carbon for water and nutrients. And this is what amazes me about nature, this beautiful network of interdependence and how it has been going on for billions of years. And I've also learned that this can break down during a drought, and I have also learned that this can break down with monoculture. We practice polyculture. We have this planting of various types of trees, fruit trees, nitrogen fixes, intercropping with the oats and some strawberries, gooseberries. This is how we deal with interdependence between plants and then also us as humans, animals. This old Spanish oak, the holm oak, it fell down, broke down, died, then got cut down. But all around it we have new plants coming from the soil, either from the seeds or from the root system. And it's just beautiful to see how nature tries to reinvent itself and to perpetuate itself. Monoculture is not for us, meaning that we have to be against it. We have to be quite specific in what we reject to define what we embrace, what we accept in the polyculture. And that's also true of life. One cannot just embrace everything. You have to be against something to be for something. Till next time, goodbye.